Hello, this is Skylar. We are closing a file in .loop. This is for a selling of a property. So we're going to find our file here in .loop according to our address, and we are looking for this property here in South Jordan. Where is it? Right here, South Jordan, 10384 South, 2950 West. Let's click this. Let's add a document. We are going to browse. Now we're going to look at the templates. We want to look at equity, maybe under contract. There's new agent, under contract. And we want our checklist. We're going to need our transaction document receipt, and that should get us started. So let's take a look. All right, so we got our packet checklist. So let's start here. This is going to tell us everything we need to know about the documents that need to be in this file. So it's asking for a property address. We already have one, so let's just auto-fill it. There we go. So we got all the blue ones are mandatory ones. So we need a commission disbursement and wire instructions. This is the under contract packet checklist. Let's check it. Right there. We know we have the REPC in there, and we know we have all addendums in our file. SPCDs, seller property condition disclosures. I just looked at those and we only have our seller's signature, so we're going to have to request a executed SPCD from the buyer's agent or transaction coordinator. And we also need a transaction document receipt, which we just added to this file. And we can check this I certify button. Boom. Okay. So we need our commission disbursement and wire instructions. Let's see if we have that in our file. And if we do, let's fill it out. Nope. So we're going to have to find it. And let's look under buying forms. Oh, not there. Agent to agent. There it is right here. Selling side, commission disbursement. Wire instructions. That's what we need right there. I believe we already sent this to Gonzalo. Let's take another look. Oh, it's right here. Selling side commission and disbursement. So we'll take this one. We already had it, didn't notice. So let's archive this so we don't have to see it twice. There we go. And now here is our selling side. We've got it all filled out. Done. So what else we need to see is with our transaction document receipt, we can lay out our file according to this document. Actually, this document. So we want our file to be laid out just like this. So we want our commission disbursement at the top, and then our under contract checklist below that. So we'll take our commission wire, put it up top, and our checklist is now second. So let's keep on going with this. Now we need our MLS printout. So we'll check this and go back and get our MLS sheet. Let's see if we have one in here. No. So let's go to the MLS. log in real quick and we'll download our sheet. Go to My Listings, Residential, and we are looking for our last sold, which is right here. And we can download this. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to save this. We're just going to put it in our delete me file so we won't need it in the future. And we'll just put South Jordan. Okay, there we go. So now we know where to find it. We are going to add that to our file here. There we go, and it's in there. You know, this should be our third document. Right there. No, we don't want to replace it. You just want to move it right in here. Okay. So, let's move on. So now we got our commission disbursement. We got our under contract, we have our MLS. Now we'll put our REPC in order with our addendums. So let's come over here, find our REPC. And it is going to go right there. Then we have our VA docs, and we'll just stack them all. 3, we got our appraisal. We got 2 SPCDs. Let's see if this one is signed by both parties. It is, perfect. Okay. So with that, we're going to take our completed SPCDs and our non-completed. And we're going to archive this set. And we got our lead-based paint, so we will do the same here. We're going to archive this one just to clean up our file. And so we got our REPC, we got our VA docs, we got addendum 3. We're going to put our appraisal down here. Addendum 3, addendum 2, and addendum 1, all in order. Makes this file nice and clean. We'll put the articles at the bottom, and we'll put this VA addendum up here. Okay, so now we have our REPC, we have all of our addendums in order, and then our SPCDs and our LVP. We'll find out where those need to go. Let's take a look. So we got our SPCDs, and then our transaction document receipt, and our lead-based paint goes in above the SPCDs, but in the addendums. So let's do that and find our transaction document receipt, and we're almost done. So lead-based paint is an addendum. It is going here. SPCDs here. And then we need our transaction document receipt, and it goes at the bottom. Let's take a look at this. It's fill it out. This is Capitoline Holdings, PLLC. Property address 10384 South, 2950 West in South Jordan. So when you send this out, it's going to want every field initialed. So you will need to take and assign the field to the appropriate person, and the second one is to no one. So you need to make sure that says no one. Agency disclosure, we did this. So we're going to fill it out, have Capitoline sign it. This one is no one. We got SPCDs, we just looked at those, we know they're done. We got a lead-based paint. So I believe that's all the documents associated with this file. We got our REPC, our listing agreement, SPCDs, lead-based paint. We did get a commitment for title insurance, so let's just sign that one. We didn't have property inspection. There's no HOA. No personal property, no leases, no water certs, no loans. So I think that's complete. And I would say I have personally delivered those. You're going to have me sign it because I'm the agent. So you can send that to me for a signature. And this is going to be the seller, and it is Capitoline. So we will save and share this, get it signed, and that is it for our document. So let's send this out for signatures. I'm going to push pause and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So we sent out our transaction document receipt and had it signed by Capitoline Holdings via .loop, so we are good here. I think we have a completed file. We're going to take our folder and submit for review. Why are we submitting for review? This is a closed transaction. Thanks. And we're just going to hit submit. Corporate review. Listing under contract packets. We need to tell it what we're sending. So we're sending it for corporate review, and this was a listing. And now it's closed transaction. Thanks. And let's send it. Okay, perfect. I hope somebody will make a better video than mine and replace it. But in the meantime, this will help you close a seller side transaction. The buyer side is very similar. If we don't have a buyer side, ask me questions and we will work through it. If not, look at the buyer's side closing of a transaction in our SOPs. Thanks so much.